Good morning everyone. It is day 2 here in Puerto Princesa in Nelly's Nipa hut. I gave a tour of this traditional Filipino Nipa hut here in yesterday's video if you want to check that out. And right now we're just having a quick breakfast because today we're gonna be renewing our visas. We haven't renewed it this whole time we've been here, so yeah, I think we're gonna have to pay many months. We think it's gonna be pretty expensive, around $500 maybe. We'll find out, but we're gonna do that. And we had tried to rent a one motorbike, but here they're very strict with their rules, so apparently they're not allowing back riding, so me and Carol can't be on the same bike, even though we still see locals doing it. But I guess nobody wants to rent it to foreigners and then be in probably bigger trouble, I guess. So yeah, we're trying to work out how to get there. The mall's not close, we can't walk there, so I think we're gonna try and get a tricycle and then yeah, head to the mall. That's where the immigration office is. So today I'm just having a morning coffee as usual. Carol's always has tea, right?
Green tea.
Yeah, Carol has green tea. She's making us some
tuna sandwiches.
Yeah, tuna sandwiches, something nice and easy. And we also got this Yakult. We try and get that a lot here in Southeast Asia to not get food poisoning, right?
Yeah.
We haven't had food poisoning in ages now. It's because we've been cooking a lot, I think. Yeah. So this is already really frustrating. We can't get any tricycles because they're not allowing 2 passengers, not to Robinson's Mall anyway. But they said they can take us to a place called Junction 1, and from there we have to get a multi-cab, which sounds like probably has way more than just us 2, right? So we're still trying to work it out. I think we're gonna have to get a tricycle to this Junction 1 place and then do the multi-cab like they keep saying, because we don't really want to walk 20 minutes to Junction 1. Robinson's?
No.
No? Okay.
That one. Okay, thank you.
This one here? The one with awesome social distancing?
Yeah.
So here we have the big main mall, Robinson's Mall. I can already see a Jollibee. Are we going to Jollibee?
Maybe, yeah.
So guys, after actually around 6 months, we've never been in a place like this, right?
Yeah,
a mall.
It feels very weird.
Yeah, bizarre. We've been in the provinces for 6 months now. Looks like a big mall, right?
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Yeah. Check it out, social distancing on the escalator. I didn't know they'd have that. So we're just looking for the immigration office now. Which one? That one in the corner?
Maybe.
Maybe. No? Oh, it's here. Here we go, immigration office. So we just finished getting our visa renewed. It was quite expensive, a bit more expensive than we were expecting. We ended up paying $30,500.
Yeah, it's over $600. So
Yeah.
it's very expensive. It's for 6 months.
Yeah, it's for 6 months. Our visas ended in April.
Yeah.
So this one is gonna be from April until October. We're actually planning to try and leave in September, but the difference between September and October was just 500 each, I think, right?
Yeah.
It's like $50 each, right, per month?
Per month, yeah. That value of $600 is for both of us. So.
Yeah, that's for both of us. So it's like $50 each. So the time has come for Jollibee. Jollibee time. So we just got our food here. For those of you that don't know, Jollibee is like the main fast food restaurant or whatever
Very famous.
of Philippines, right? It's the McDonald's of Philippines. And we got some funky music going on here on loop. And we always get this, the tuna pie. We think it's awesome, right?
Yeah, and it's the only pescatarian option.
Yeah, exactly. Everything else is like meat. And this was 457, I think, overall. That was for everything. So 5 tuna pies, 2 fries, and a drink. Show what it's inside. It's like gravy, right?
Very tasty.
What is that? Like cheese? So it seems to have some sort of like carrots or something. I don't know. But I really like the crust as well, nice and crunchy. That's why we got 5. So I think I'm gonna buy this outfit here. What do you think, Carol? Should I wear that?
Oh, sure. Without me.
Without you? There's enough for both of us. Pretty big store, right? Robinson's department store. It's huge. So what are you trying to buy anyway?
I'm just looking.
Just looking.
Yeah, I need to buy some makeup stuff, but now just looking some clothes. Maybe there's something that's good. I don't know.
Yeah.
Cheap.
I would like another vest like this, but a plain one. Mine are starting to look old now. I've been using them too much here in the Philippines almost every day. You like it?
Maybe.
How much is that?
900.
900? Like $18.
Yeah.
They've got some wacky ones here. Check that out. Everything's super colorful here, right?
Yeah.
All the clothes. Hey Carol, there's your hippie pants. It's like Thailand. Look at the elephants.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna try on these goggles now. I want some new ones because mine suck.
Yeah.
Not even sure if I'm supposed to open this, right?
Maybe not, but well.
They're bigger, but how's it look?
Very funny.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's good though, I can see a lot. Extra
Okay.
protection for COVID as well. How much is that? 629.
Not bad.
I think I'll get it. They're good. A lot better than mine anyway.
Okay. Cool.
Coming to a snorkeling video soon. So Carol got herself a nice new top.
Yeah. I just tried it on.
Almost looks like palm trees or something.
Yeah.
How much is that?
350.
350?
Yeah, good price, I
Yeah,
think.
good price. Cheaper than my goggles. So we're about to head out for dinner now. As you can see behind me, we now have 2 scooters that we rented, so they're 100 each. The rules just make no sense. So me and Carol, who are married, we can't go on a single bike together, or we can't even get in a tricycle with one driver, but we can get in one of those cabs, which is like a little packed van with 10 other strangers that are right in front of me. So yeah, just a really stupid rule for sure, and it just makes zero sense. If anything, it's actually even riskier, because yeah, now you got to travel with all these strangers, right, in a packed sweaty vehicle, and you're holding on the bar that all these other people have held onto. So yeah, hopefully they change that rule, because it makes zero sense, and if anything, you're gonna just spread COVID even more that way. So yeah, I don't know what they're thinking, but anyway, we're gonna head out for dinner now, and yeah, we'll probably show you the restaurant. So this is the spot we've decided to eat at, Captain Ribs, right near our place, like a 3-minute ride. So this place is really nice inside. I didn't know, but it has this awesome garden area where me and Carl have come. Nice and romantic with the candles. Loads of nice places to sit here. Really chilled out, right?
Yeah.
Chilled out music as well. And me and Carol both went for the veggie burger, so that's 220. And I got a banana shake, which is 100. What did you get to drink?
Coke.
What?
Just a Coke.
Oh, a Coke. Yeah, Carol got a Coke, so that's 60. Really good. Tasty banana. It's a pretty good portion, and I think the burger is tofu. So yeah, that's what the veggie part is, tofu burger. And we were just saying, here's cheaper, I think, right, than El Nido.
Yeah, even for nice places like this.
Yeah, this would be over 300, I think,
Yeah,
over there.
The restaurants are very expensive compared to here.
I think 220 is pretty good for a nice place like this. So that's it for this video. Not sure what we're going to be doing in the next video. We did want to check out a nice beach that's about 50 minutes from Puerto Princesa. The forecast is showing horrible weather, so yeah, we'll have to see, but if it's okay over the next 2 days, we'll go there. And hopefully you enjoyed this video, a bit different, not really showing attractions or anything, just showing us resolving stuff, and yeah, just seeing how Puerto Princesa is very different to El Nido and the COVID rules as well. So yeah, just something different for you to see. So as always, just drop a like on the video to help support us. Subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. Follow us on Instagram, and we'll see you in the next one.